one of those scenes. Terrifying, scary, whatever kind of feeling that you are being scared, all here in the movie. Another one. Son! No! No, no, no! Ah! 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 That's another one. Guys and girls, good evening to each and every one of you. Just a sample. How are you all doing? I just watched last night of this one. Oh my gosh. Some kind of terrifying, horrible. Oh gosh, I couldn't really believe of this movie. Some kind of a splendid. Hold on guys. Is it that? Please bear with me. How about like that? Okay. Please bear with my camera. Guys and girls, how are you all doing? Oh my gosh. Thank Lord for all the blessings that you give, for all the trials and challenges that I surpass. Shout out to each every one of you, to all my silent subscribers out there, to all my 17 lovely countries. Hold on, I'm gonna enumerate you. Please don't make some fast forward, okay? Hold on. Oh gosh. Hold on guys. Where is it? Here. Hold on. Sorry. So let's proceed. Guys, hold on. Okay. Sorry I can't concentrate that much. Please bear with me, okay? Okay, let's start. Philippines, United States, Uzbekistan, Indonesia. Oh my gosh. Sorry, guys. India, United Kingdom, Russia, Germany, Canada, Malaysia, Japan, Saudi Arabia, Hong Kong, United Arab of Emirates, Italy, Qatar, Myanmar. You know what, guys? Before I tell you my remarks for this one, I have a strange on this thing. Something strange happened to me just this late afternoon when I went in Central. Guys, sorry, I don't know how to handle the camera. Oh gosh.
Ano ba sa 11? No problem.
Just like that, okay? Now I can concentrate.
May chicken doon? 11?